Every Lamborghini supercar begins with advanced materials. Precision starts at the material level of the Lamborghini supercar. Resin binds strength into the Lamborghini supercar. Every piece is cut with exact precision. Layering defines the strength of the Lamborghini supercar. The shape of the Lamborghini supercar begins here.
Every layer builds the Lamborghini supercar body.
Air is removed to ensure perfection.
The Lamborghini supercar body moves into its forming stage.
Extreme pressure shapes the Lamborghini supercar. Strength is forged under intense conditions.
Cooling stabilizes the Lamborghini supercar structure.
The Lamborghini supercar body begins to emerge. The skeleton of the Lamborghini supercar is revealed.
Precision shaping defines the Lamborghini supercar.
Clean surfaces prepare the Lamborghini supercar for assembly. Inside this facility, the Lamborghini supercar comes to life. Every component enters the Lamborghini supercar production line.
The Lamborghini supercar begins its journey through assembly.
Perfect alignment ensures precision in the Lamborghini supercar.
Structure builds the Lamborghini supercar step by step.
Balance is key in the Lamborghini supercar.
Performance starts from the ground up. Accuracy defines the Lamborghini supercar. Precision defines every line of the Lamborghini supercar.
Clean surfaces prepare the Lamborghini supercar for coating. The first layer protects the Lamborghini supercar.
The Lamborghini supercar is prepared for transformation. The heart of the Lamborghini supercar arrives.
Precision inspection ensures peak performance.
The Lamborghini supercar prepares for power installation. Power is carefully placed into the Lamborghini supercar.
Every bolt secures the Lamborghini supercar's strength.
The voice of the Lamborghini supercar takes shape.
Cooling keeps the Lamborghini supercar performing at its peak.
Power transfer completes the core of the Lamborghini supercar.
The Lamborghini supercar begins to take its iconic form.
distinct design defines the Lamborghini Supercar. Every panel completes the Lamborghini Supercar design. Power is displayed through the Lamborghini Supercar. Innovation moves in every part of the Lamborghini Supercar. Clarity enhances the Lamborghini Supercar experience.
Aerodynamics define the Lamborghini Supercar.
The interior of the Lamborghini Supercar begins to form. Hidden networks power the Lamborghini Supercar. Control systems define the Lamborghini Supercar experience. Technology enhances the Lamborghini Supercar. Precision sensors guide the Lamborghini Supercar. Lighting defines the identity of the Lamborghini Supercar. Energy powers the Lamborghini Supercar.
Software brings intelligence to the Lamborghini Supercar.
The Lamborghini Supercar becomes a complete machine. Luxury defines the interior of the Lamborghini Supercar. Control begins at the wheel of the Lamborghini Supercar. Detailing enhances the Lamborghini Supercar's identity.
Atmosphere transforms the Lamborghini Supercar.
Comfort meets engineering in the Lamborghini Supercar. Every touchpoint defines the Lamborghini Supercar. Perfection requires a flawless finish.
The Lamborghini Supercar interior is complete.
Perfection is inspected in every detail of the Lamborghini Supercar.
The finish defines the Lamborghini Supercar.
Technology is verified inside the Lamborghini Supercar. Power awakens in the Lamborghini Supercar. Control defines the Lamborghini Supercar performance.
Real-world conditions test the Lamborghini Supercar.
Aerodynamics shape the Lamborghini Supercar speed. Approval marks the completion of the Lamborghini Supercar.
The Lamborghini Supercar is prepared for delivery.
Protection ensures safe transport of the Lamborghini Supercar.
The Lamborghini Supercar shines in its final form. The Lamborghini Supercar awaits its new owner.
The journey begins for the Lamborghini Supercar.
From factory to the world, the Lamborghini Supercar travels.
And this is how modern factories produce Lamborghini supercars from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.